ready. Today I have 4 squishies to cut out of bed today. And my friend made these, and these are my friend's scissors. Okay, I don't have to explain all that. And yeah, go follow her. Her channel is Viviana Genascoli, I think. So let's open the white one, or the yellow one first. The yellow one. So let's kind of cut right here. Let's see if I can see something. Oh god, I thought there was going to be water or something. Open. It's a really cute eraser. With the taco on it, of course. I just put the taco to sit right in here. And let's cut open, I guess, the white one. The purple one, I guess. Purple one doesn't look so good. No, I'm joking. That one, oh god, I can't even cut like that. Oh, goodness. Let's see something. These are not really squishies. Let's see. Oh god. It's a bowling pin. Yeah, you can sit right on the top over there. It's so funny. Okay, yeah, you can just go back in there. It's open. My white squishy. Still don't see no hole. Like the white squishy. This is cool. Let's cut it open. Let's have it go up. This looks furry. Let's open it. It's a keychain. Oh my god, it's so cute. I think it's a girl. Let's leave it there. Now let's cut open this one. I don't even see anything yet. Look at this, I got a huge hole. There's nothing in it. Let's cut this way. Oh, there was something in it. We just didn't see it because it's green. It's a Shopkin scissor. Oh, so cute. Let's put a piece of Play-Doh out of you. And that's what we have. Thank you guys for watching my Rock and Pen YouTube channel. See you next time.